In our modern world, we are constantly searching for ways to improve our health. We often hear about complex workout routines and strict dietary plans. These can feel, well, overwhelming and difficult to start. Many people simply want a straightforward, accessible habit that can make a real difference. The good news is that such a habit exists: walking. It doesn't require a gym membership, expensive equipment, or a complicated schedule. It's a fundamental human movement with profound health implications, often overlooked. The power of walking lies in its simplicity and consistency. You might be surprised to learn what just 30 minutes of brisk walking can accomplish when done daily. This isn't about training for a marathon or pushing your body to its absolute limits. It's about integrating gentle, sustained movement into your daily life. The cumulative effect can lead to remarkable transformations in your physical and mental health. We'll explore the science-backed evidence showing how this modest investment of time pays dividends for your body, heart, head. Think of daily walking as preventative medicine. By choosing to walk, you step away from inactivity and toward a more vibrant, resilient life. The journey doesn't need a giant leap. Start with a single deliberate step, then another, then another. Over the next sections, we'll break down what happens inside your body. Prepare to be amazed by how this ordinary activity produces extraordinary results. Let's begin with the engine of your body, your heart. When you walk briskly for 30 minutes, you are giving your cardiovascular system an excellent workout. Your heart rate increases, which helps pump more oxygen-rich blood throughout your body. This regular demand strengthens the heart muscle itself, making it more efficient at its job. Studies have consistently shown that daily walking can help lower blood pressure, which reduces the strain on your arteries. It also helps to improve cholesterol levels by lowering the bad LDL cholesterol and raising the good HDL cholesterol, a combination that is critical for preventing the buildup of plaque in your arteries. This daily activity is a powerful tool against heart disease, our #1 killer. The evidence is clear. Individuals who engage in regular moderate-intensity exercise like walking have a significantly lower risk of suffering from a heart attack or stroke. Beyond the physical benefits for your heart, walking has a remarkable impact on your brain and mental well-being. The increased blood flow doesn't just go to your muscles, it also nourishes your brain. This boost in circulation delivers more oxygen and nutrients, which can enhance cognitive functions like memory, attention, and problem-solving skills. Research suggests that regular walking can even stimulate the growth of new brain cells in the hippocampus, the region of the brain responsible for memory and learning. This makes walking a powerful strategy for maintaining mental sharpness as you age. Furthermore, walking is a natural and effective mood booster. As you move, your body releases endorphins, which are chemicals that act as natural painkillers and mood elevators. A daily 30-minute walk, especially outdoors in nature, can significantly reduce symptoms of stress, anxiety, and depression, promoting a sense of calm and mental clarity that can improve your entire day. Many people with joint pain, particularly in their knees and hips, believe that exercise will make their condition worse. However, the opposite is often true for a low-impact activity like walking. Your joints, which lack a direct blood supply, rely on movement to receive their nutrition. The synovial fluid inside your joints circulates as you move, delivering oxygen and nutrients while washing away inflammatory waste products. Therefore, walking actually helps to lubricate your joints and strengthen the surrounding muscles, which provides better support and stability. This can lead to a significant reduction in stiffness and pain associated with conditions like arthritis. Unlike high-impact exercises that can jolt the skeletal system, walking is a gentle and sustainable form of movement. It puts minimal stress on your joints while still providing all the benefits of weight-bearing exercise. This is crucial for maintaining bone density and fighting off osteoporosis. Every step you take sends a signal to your body to keep your bones strong. While walking may not build bulging biceps, it is highly effective for toning and strengthening the muscles in your lower body and core. To engage your core even more, focus on maintaining good posture while you walk. Keep your head up, your shoulders back and down, and your abdominal muscles slightly engaged. This not only enhances the workout, but also helps prevent back pain. Improving muscle strength and joint health translates directly into better balance and coordination. As we age, the risk of falls becomes a serious concern. By strengthening the muscles that support you and improving your body's proprioception, daily walking makes you more stable on your feet, reducing your risk of falling and ensuring you can continue to do the activities you love safely. Many people turn to exercise with the goal of managing their weight, and walking is a surprisingly effective tool for this purpose. While it may not burn calories as rapidly as a high-intensity interval session, its consistency is key. A 30-minute brisk walk can burn a significant number of calories, and when you do this every day, the total adds up quickly. Over the course of a week, this creates a meaningful calorie deficit, contributing to gradual, sustainable weight loss. This is far more manageable than an exhausting workout you can only do once or twice a week. The benefits of walking go beyond simple calorie burn. Regular activity boosts your metabolism, so you burn more calories even at rest. Walking improves your body's insulin sensitivity. Poor insulin sensitivity can cause fat storage, often around the abdomen, and raise the risk of type 2 diabetes. Daily walking helps cells use glucose for energy, preventing it from being stored as fat. Walking regulates appetite, curbs cravings for sugary and high-fat foods. Physical activity and endorphin-driven mood boosts reduce stress-related eating. When you feel better mentally, you are more likely to make healthier food choices throughout the day. A short walk after a meal aids digestion and stabilizes blood sugar, preventing spikes and crashes that trigger hunger and fatigue, helping you feel more in control of eating. A daily walk builds a healthier relationship with your body and with exercise, shifting focus from punishing workouts to enjoyable, sustainable movement. You begin to feel stronger, have more energy, and notice gradual changes in how your clothes fit. Walking stops being a chore and becomes a valued part of your day, creating a positive feedback loop that makes it a habit that sticks. The secret to reaping the incredible benefits of walking is consistency. To make it a lasting habit, it needs to fit seamlessly into your life. The best way to start is to be realistic. If 30 minutes feels like too much at first, begin with just 10 or 15 minutes a day. You can break it up into smaller chunks, such as a 10-minute walk after each meal. The goal is to build momentum. Once you feel comfortable, you can gradually increase the duration and intensity. Schedule your walk like any other important appointment. Put it in your calendar to protect that time for your health. To keep your motivation high, find ways to make your walks enjoyable. Create a playlist of your favorite music. Listen to an engaging podcast or audiobook. Walking with a friend, family member, or pet. Exploring new routes in your neighborhood and local parks. The more you look forward to your walk, the less it will feel like an obligation and the more it will become a cherished part of your daily routine. Proper gear can make a world of difference. You don't need expensive athletic wear, but a comfortable, well-fitting pair of walking shoes is a crucial investment. Provide the right support, cushion your steps, and help prevent blisters or injuries. Dress in layers. Wear bright or reflective clothing for visibility, and be prepared with water and essentials. Finally, remember that walking is for everyone, at every stage of life. The simple act of putting one foot in front of the other is a powerful declaration of commitment to your own health. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress. Don't be discouraged by an occasional missed day. The most important step is always the next one you take. Embrace this simple, profound activity and walk your way to a healthier, happier, and longer life.